Welcome back for another QNT price prediction analysis, and in this video I want to give you areas that QNT needs to continue holding in the next coming hours, and also discuss the chances of having seen a low here on the QNT chart, and this could be the start of an impulsive move to the upper side. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, QNT continues to hold above support at around the $100 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We also continue to hold above the 20-day MA on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as support. And the next key area of resistance that we need to break above is at around the $110.9 mark, and a break above that with a retest, then we can easily see QNT get above the $120 mark in the next coming days. And jumping now to the daily chart to first give you reasons why we might have bottomed out here on the QNT chart. You can see that on my long-term Elliot wave analysis, QNT gave us a low at $100 mark back in 2020 before we saw that massive push to the upper side, giving us all-time highs at around the $429.7 mark. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we had been seeing a corrective move in this ABC corrective structure, in a move that gave us a bear market low at around the $40.1 mark. And after seeing the bear market low, we started gearing up, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we peaked in a 5-wave move, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1, giving us a high above the $229 mark. And after seeing that is the high for that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and the target area for the second wave was between the $135.1 mark and the $81.5 mark. And here on the charts you can now see that we have a significant low at around the $84.5 mark, suggesting that there are high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks we can continue pushing higher and get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. And given that we have this as a low for the second wave, I can now give you target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $384.8 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that third wave to the upper side to do. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term here on the QNT chart. And we also need to be aware of further pullbacks which can happen in case we see a rejection at our key area of resistance at around the $110.9 mark. And in case such a movement plays out, then expect a bit of a pullback to our key area of support at around the $100 mark, where we can find support and then get another massive bounce back. But if by any chance we lose the $100 mark, then I will be expecting QNT to give us further retracement to the area at around the $97.3 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here and also on the long term here on the QNT chart. And I hope to see you in the next video.